Hey everybody, welcome back to another mystery unboxing. Today's a little bit different. We have two mystery unboxings. One is for $1,000, one was $1,000 plus $40 for shipping. So let's go ahead and get right into it right after this. Alright, so just a quick reminder, I just want to remind you guys about the giveaway I'm doing for the month of July. I'm giving away a $300 pair of sneakers of your choice. Make sure to go ahead and check out my last video. The link is right up here. Make sure to subscribe to it, make sure to like it, and make sure to comment. And if you are interested in doing and getting another entry, you can go ahead and enter on my Instagram, which is also at The Real Sneak Peek. And go ahead and find this post. And make sure to like it, make sure to comment, tag 3 friends in your comment, and also make sure to follow the account. So I definitely am so grateful for you guys. My videos are getting over 1,000 views, and to me that's amazing. And also that you guys are following me and I get to interact with a lot of you. I'm trying to answer as many people as I can in the comments. So definitely love you guys and appreciate you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into these boxes. Alright guys, so this first box is actually from someone named, I think Davey or David Blue. He is from Facebook. I bought this box off him. I had a lot of people say that he's a good person to buy from. It's more of a mystery box, but it still has profit in it. And so we're gonna see stuff, not just sneaker stuff, but we're gonna see like hype stuff, like maybe some Supreme, maybe some Bape, maybe some other brands that are pretty cool right now. So I know that there's clothing, and I also know that there's shoes. So we're still gonna make a counter right over here. Our goal for all of these videos is usually to make around 20% of whatever we spend. So if we make 20%, I'm all good with it. So he even gave me this little card. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. It's all of his contact information. So let's go ahead and see if this box is worth it. So one of the first things that he does show is a nice little card with the mask in it. There's also a cool little emoji sticker. So thank you, Davey, for the mask. I definitely need one. And so it actually tells me what I got in here, so I'm gonna keep that on the side. I don't want to spoil it for myself. So let's go ahead and pull out the first item. And the first item is this tote bag, which is from MCA Chicago. On the back it says Hypebeast. Yeah, so there's this cool little tote bag. So we'll go ahead and see what that goes for. Something from PacSun. Oh, it's Fear of God. This thing is humongo though. It says it's a size large, and it looks like, I think it's like a trench jacket. If I find out, I'll put a picture right here so you guys can see what it looks like out of the bag. I don't want to take it out of the bag because if I'm gonna sell it, people, when they see it in the bag, they know it's brand new, so it's just easier to sell that way. Here's a pair of shoes in a Adidas box, which scares me because I don't really like Adidas too much. But let's see here. It's got a stock X card, so hopefully that means it's legit. And we have, oh, interesting. We have a pair of these NMD Bape Neighborhood collab. So it's a collab between 3 different companies, Adidas, Bape, and Neighborhood, which are all really cool brands. I'm not sure how much this goes for, but I do know that these are hype brands. Sadly, on a non-hype shoe, NMDs aren't that hyped anymore. It's still a cool, comfortable shoe, but it just doesn't have the hype that it used to have. So hopefully this still adds some because it's dead stock, so at least it's easier to move. I do see something Jordan related, which is cool. This looks like a very simple Air Jordan waist bag. I don't really wear waist bags or side bags or whatever. I've never really been into it. It is helpful, I guess, but it's just not my style. And I don't really carry that much stuff, so maybe my wife will want this or somebody else. And I'm pretty sure this is just a quick throw-in. Probably not much to add to the counter. I see this, which is, okay. So I've never owned anything like this. So we have a Supreme, what it looks like it's used though, but because I think it's used, I'm gonna take it out of the bag. We have this Supreme BOGO. I don't know what year this is from. I'm not super into Supreme. All I know is that Supreme BOGOs are worth a lot of money. Even if it's used, there are a few little stains on here, but this is pretty crazy. And it has a CDG print on the back. Well, at least it says CDG on the bottom, but this is a crazy, I mean, I really like this pinstripe hood. And so this is such an interesting, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is from a store called The Real Real. It is a pre-owned item, and on the pre-owned item, it says that it's worth $425. I don't know if that's really what it goes for. I don't know if it goes for more. I know sometimes Supreme stuff rises in value over time. Let's keep it going. There's one last pair of shoes right here, and that's it for this box. So, oh man, I suck at saying this. Manire, I don't know. AMM, I don't know. You guys can correct me, but I've seen these shoes around. These definitely have good value to them. They are slightly used. As you guys can see right here, there is some toe box creasing, but the bottoms look super clean, so I'm not even sure if they're dead stock or not. Maybe they just came pre-creased, or maybe somebody just wore them super lightly. There's that crease, but everything else seems pretty brand new. There's that cool, there's a lot of different materials on here. Shoe, this is a size 9.5, almost my size, but it's not really something I would wear personally. I'm not really an Air Force One type of person, but these should add some good amount to the counter too. So that's pretty much it for this first box. I don't know what you guys think. If you guys like Davey's box, let me know in the comments down below. I want to go through this box next. So this box actually comes back from Drone Kicks. I think I was pronouncing it Drawn Kicks, but I think it's Drone Kicks. He's on Twitter, so definitely make sure to leave him a follow. And he opened up memberships for beater boxes. Last time we opened up a box, it was a $2,000 box. You can go ahead and watch it right here. Last time it wasn't the best. It was definitely a lot of hype shoes, and it was fun to open, but profit-wise, it was kind of like, it really depended on how you sold the shoes. So I still profited from the box, which is cool, but it definitely wasn't like how I said, a 20% markup. Let's go ahead and jump straight into this one next. All right, so this one was $1,000 plus $40 to ship. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. I see two things that are cool, one thing that I don't know what to do with. But the first shoe out of this box are these Nike Dunks. I love Dunks. I don't know super much about these. These kind of look like a USA colorway. That's what I'm guessing. Super yellowed, but that's totally normal for these older Dunks. Yeah, so these are a size 10.5. These are from 2010. And as you guys can see up close, the denim is definitely faded. Everything's pretty faded, but it does leave a cool distressed look, and the yellowing on the soles is not a problem, but I know that a lot of people are interested in these yellow soles because it makes it look more vintage and kind of gives off that vintage vibe. It's definitely cool, but it's definitely something I could easily fix if I need a fix. If you're interested to see how I fix yellow soles or clean up shoes, I'm actually going to record a video right after this and show you guys, so make sure to subscribe and follow so that you don't miss out on any of this great content. So one of the shoes that I'm not super hyped about, but that's okay, is a pair of Jordan 13s in a 9C. So if you are a parent and have a kid and you want to have them look hype, then you can get these Jordan 13. I'm pretty sure these are the mellow colorways. These also look slightly used, so definitely doesn't add too much to the counter. Over here we have a Air Max 95 in a gray school size 5.5. And we got a Houston, I believe. These are a Houston Air Max 95. These are interesting. Definitely something I have not seen. These look to be dead stock though, so that's a good sign. It'll be easier to move. And we just have different hints of this Houston and the purple air bubble. So yeah, Air Max 95, size 5.5. Probably not adding too much to the counter, but definitely okay. And we have a Converse box in a size 10 essentials. So this is a Fear of God. I've kind of been looking for this, and this is kind of my size, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep these, but it is the black colorway. So these are pretty cool. I haven't seen these in person, but as you guys can see up close here, that these are slightly worn, but definitely like maybe twice. It's cool. They have a leather tongue, but then a canvas on the side and a loop in the back so that you can kind of tie them around together. And even on the soles, you can see that it's a little worn, not too bad. So definitely not a bad shoe. Maybe, I think these aren't going for too much. I think brand new is like 160 or something, maybe a little less. So I'll probably price these at around 100. And the last shoe in the box, definitely oh, I lied. I missed a shoe. So we actually have these little small Vapor Maxes. Let's see, these are a size 5.5 in women's. So definitely a smaller foot, but always a comfortable shoe. Vapor Maxes do decently well. They're not the super hypest shoe. I know that they used to be, they retail for about 200. So this should be a simple little add to the counter. They are used, but it's a cool colorway. Nothing too special. Definitely will be something I probably post on my eBay account. Now we'll get into the very last shoe. So here we are, a off-white box. It is a little bit damaged, and that's okay. These still hold its value. I'm hoping, yes, I see it's a Nike Dunk in a size 10. There you guys go. So these are definitely a fire shoe, and they look to be dead stock. This is the Nike Dunk Low in the Michigan Off-White colorway. And these things are pretty cool. I used to have the pine green ones, but I don't know. I'm just not the biggest fan about this overlay lacing system that you guys can see right here. But the leather quality is pretty good. There is this little mark on one of the shoes, but for the most part, they don't look worn at all. I think it's just a factory defect. Like I said, if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, I sell it all on my Instagram. I will throw down my eBay also. I post those shoes on eBay. If you guys are somebody who subscribe and watch, then hit me up on my Instagram or my eBay and just, be like, hey, I watch your videos and I want to buy a pair of shoes, and I was hoping that maybe I can get a discount. And who knows, maybe I'll give you something. I'll kind of do a quick breakdown right here. This is how much I expect to profit off of this box, and hopefully it's something good. I haven't done the math yet. So other than that, I just want to say thank you again for watching. We are growing and growing, and it's all thanks to you guys for smashing those likes and also subscribing. So I appreciate you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.